In this video, I will show you how to delete an image from the Shopify store library. As an example, let's assume we would like to delete this particular image. So first of all, let's click on the preview icon and then copy the actual image name, the full name right here. Let's copy it. And then let's go back to the main dashboard and then select content and then files. Right on this page, you'll see all the images which are uploaded to your Shopify store. Here's the file name, and most importantly, here's the reference. If you click on the reference, you'll see the product or the theme where the image is used. In my case, this particular image is used with a gray sofa product. So the image which I would like to delete is different. So let's click on the search icon and let's paste the image name right here. And here's the image of interest. As you may notice, it's not associated with any of the products, so we can safely go ahead and delete it. So to delete the image, just select it right here and then click on delete file and then just confirm it. And that's pretty much it. The image has been deleted. In case you wish to delete multiple images at the same time, just go ahead and select them just like this. And then at the very top, click on the delete files button and then just confirm the deletion. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tip helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.